Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, April 19th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.5 cents, up 4.11% with volume up 26.49%. The price is ranging from a high of 12.6 cents and the low of 11.5. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,354,371,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 22,666,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 309,713 holders, up 65. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 33.75%, number 2 is Gate.io with 16.54%, and number 3 Coinbase with 9.54%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 205,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.